What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl KAMSY. If today is the first time seeing my face, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And for my old subscribers, thank you all for your love and support. I appreciate you all. So for my new subscribers, I believe you subscribed now. My name is KAMSY, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Italy. So please, can you do me well and subscribe to my YouTube channel? Guys, today is a beautiful Sunday morning, and guess what? Hobby's friend is wedding today. Yeah. I'm so happy for this too. Like, they are amazing friends, and today they decided to join themselves together in a holy matrimony, and we are heading there today to honor their invitation. Italian wedding is so different from Nigerian wedding, so that is why I decided to vlog it. I decided to carry you guys along so you see how it looks like. You will see that as in their vibe is different from ours. Nigerian wedding is so nice. I like Nigerian wedding, but I came here, the first time I came, I attended the Italian wedding. I wasn't a YouTuber, so I didn't video it that much. But now that I'm a YouTuber, I have to video it and show you guys how it looks like. So to avoid much talking and ranting, let's dive into the video. Let us see what they have to show us today. Took this bona fortuna. Inside this is rice that will pour on them, wishing them good luck. So guys, here in Italy there is something called bona fortuna. As you can see, everybody has that pack that I showed you guys. It contains rice inside of it, so people are just ready for them to pour that to the just wedded couple. So what they do is, once they are coming out from the door, they will just throw, as in they will pour the rice to them. It's called bona fortuna. Just stay tuned, you will see how they do it. We don't do it in Nigeria, right? But here they do it. Once they are coming out from the door, people will just be pouring the rice on them. It's called good luck. That is bona fortuna in marriage life. This is the packaged rice. I've opened one. They are coming out. The parents.
Io non posso fare manco un allora sei
emozionante. Hair section.
C'è la terza per dopo. Dove ero? Sì, devo via oggi.
Morgan è un VIP.
Tu volevo vedere.
Morgan, che fai? Voglio dire.
Ciao!
Ma dove stavate?
Complicità mi sa.
Let's do for... Eccola, Morgan è confidence. Eccola.
Dov'è?
Eccola.
Dove stiamo?
Siamo
Ah,
con chi è Simone, Roberto,
Nicole.
Sabrina, Nicole, Simona, Limone, Morgan, Confident, Francesco. Ma che numero?
Numero?
Morgan. Yeah, serve yourself.
Da altre parti ci sono tutti i formaggi, salumi, pizza, lì c'è il pesce, di là c'è altre cose, sì, deve girare dappertutto. Solo così, così.
Dolcino, lo direi io, non so.
Ma quanto è bello di pizza col vestito da mascato. Sono 2 anni che poi è pure palestrato. Ma quanto è bella la mattina, tutta bianca da sposina. Se potesse dormire sempre a fare la maestrina. A scuola lei va, tanto Speedy è andato a pescare. Già sto vizio la domenica è già, ma una cappa le porterà, le porterà, le porterà e cucinerà. Usciamo di fretta e andiamo alla piazza, c'è il prete che aspetta, la frittata è mai fatta, dobbiamo fare in fretta che comincia la messa, fammi fanno spezzato e inizia la festa, ormai sono sposati, sempre siamo mosso, mangiamo bene ma sprechiamo il torno rosso, ma quanto è bello il matrimonio della Martes di pizza, questa festa speciale che ci rende più allegri. Ma quanto è bello il matrimonio della Martes di pizza, una coppia speciale che sono i ciliegi. iniziamo a scoppiare, ma l'amore ne volevo fare, di amore e felicità, per tutta l'eternità, l'eternità, l'eternità. Andiamo a scopare! Un urlo per gli sposi! Volevo detto ragazzi!
Auguri!
Brindisino!
La 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 la.
Brindisino!
La 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 la.
Brindisino!
La 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 la. La la la
Brindisino! Preghiamo tutti insieme. Senti, fa come le mani senza andare via, perché se no... 3, 2, 1... ragazzi, fermatelo, sta nella macchina, sta andando via, fermatelo. La gioia...
Guys, we are back from the wedding. It went so, like, I really enjoyed it. I couldn't vlog as much as I wanted because of copyright issues, so I avoided some things because music, like, we danced, we ate and ate and ate and ate, we drank. I drank what? So for those that drinks wine, there was a lot to eat and drink. The wedding went so well. We danced, as in, I really enjoyed it, seriously. And we came back with this. As you can see, the name of the couple is written there, Stefano and Martina. So I decided to come and close this vlog and equally open it and know what is inside. So I decided to come and do it with my fam here. So let's just open it and see what is inside. Man, I really enjoyed this wedding. It was, as in, it's whatever thing that we sacrifice. Wow, this is beautiful. In here we have this. This is so nice. It's like just a rose, right? You can just keep it somehow. Look at it. It's so nice. Then what's this? I think this is container for salt and pepper, if I'm not mistaken. This container for salt and no. Finally, I don't really know what this is for. Let me just be plain. I think it should be like this, but there is 3 holes here. There is an opening here. I think this should be for maybe for pepper or salt, and this should be for, there is one here. I don't really know what this is for. If you know, please drop it in the comment section, but they are just beautiful. So that is the gift we came back from the wedding ground. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not. Thank you all. I will see you all in my next video. For now, ciao.